How to fix computer slowness on Windows 10 and 11, a step-by-step solution. Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with the latest tech tips and tricks to help you solve your computer-related problems. In this video, we'll be talking about how to fix computer slowness on Windows 10 and 11. If you're tired of dealing with a slow computer that takes forever to load, then you're in the right place. We'll provide you with a step-by-step solution to get your computer running faster in no time. So let's get started. Step 1. Check for malware and viruses. The first step to fixing computer slowness on Windows 10 and 11 is to check for malware and viruses. These can significantly slow down your computer's performance. Run a full system scan using your antivirus software, or download and install reputable antivirus software if you don't have any. You can also scan your computer for free, the link will be in the description. Step 2. Check for updates. Ensure that your Windows operating system is up to date. Windows updates often come with fixes for bugs and performance improvements. To check for updates, go to the Settings app, click on Updates and Security, and select Check for Updates. Step 3. Turn off unnecessary programs. Disable any unnecessary programs that are running in the background. To do this, open the Task Manager by pressing the Ctrl+Shift+ESC keys simultaneously. Check for any programs using a lot of CPU, memory, or disk resources and disable them. Step 4. Delete unwanted files and programs. Remove any unnecessary files and programs from your computer to free up space on your hard drive. Use the Disk Cleanup utility built into Windows, or download and install reputable disk cleanup software. The video on how to perform disk cleanup will be in the description. Step 5. Turn off visual effects. Disabling visual effects can significantly improve your computer's performance. To do this, type sysdm.cpl in the Start menu search box and press Enter. Click on the Advanced tab and select Settings under the Performance section. Select Adjust for Best Performance or Custom to choose which visual effects to disable. Step 6. Defragment your hard drive. Defragmenting your hard drive can improve your computer's performance. To do this, type defrag in the Start menu search box and select Defragment and Optimize drives. Select your hard drive and click on Optimize. Step 7. Delete the temporary files. To do this, type %temp% into the search bar and press Enter. Press Ctrl+A to select all and delete. Empty the recycle bin. Step 8. Upgrade your hardware. If your computer is still slow after following the above steps, consider upgrading your hardware. You can upgrade your RAM, hard drive, or graphics card to improve your computer's performance. That's it for this video on how to fix computer slowness on Windows 10 and 11. By following these step-by-step solutions, you should be able to improve your computer's performance and speed up its operations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.